flip some pages and revise now. And look how it is done, the Nernst equation.
Yeah, we just did this today in school. So yeah.
Okay, in school also you did. Okay, fine then. Hello, Astha. Hi, Hishma. Astha and Hishma, did you guys try any of these questions? Yes, Astha, did you try any of these questions? You remember, right? Last class, I gave you guys this question. These four. Am I not audible? Hello, Astha, Hishma, can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Did you guys try any of these?
No, sir.
No. What about you, Hishma?
No, silent.
No. Please try now. Okay. And also please write in your notebook, okay? Please check screenshot, homework is there, and some type of notes, because I understand that you will not be able to remember each and everything. And also the things that goes into screenshot, they are in screenshot only, just to get deleted after 4 months, right? So just keep a note for yourself at the end whenever I give you questions and all. Okay, guys. What is the E naught cell for this? Tell me. For the first case. Oh, do one thing. Send me whatever you have done till now, all of you. Khalid, Minashi, Salman for the 17th question. Astha and Hishma also. Send me whatever you have done till now. But please just be fast, okay? Quickly send me whatever you have done. I hope WhatsApp is working. It was off for a while. I don't know. Yeah, it's working now, I think. Okay, Minashi. Minashi, just something seems off. Let me just check this. Yeah. So, Minashi, the powers you have not written now.
Sir.
See, what is the general Nernst equation? For a cell reaction A plus AB, the log of C to the power C, D to the power D, A to the power A, B to the power B. Minashi, you got your mistake.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, please send me what happened. Salman, Khalid, and Hishma. I think Hishma sent. No, Hishma is also not sent. Yeah, this is correct. Very good. I mean, till E naught is correct. Okay, Minashi, you are also E naught is correct. For the rest, please send. Like, just do it again. What happened to you guys, Khalid and Salman? भेजा किसी ने? Hishma ने भेजा. Yeah, Hishma, yeah. You're going right. कीजिए कीजिए प्लीज कीजिए इसको. Complete this one. Khalid and Salman, can you please speak up? What happened?
Yes, sir. Give me a second. I'm sending.
Khalid, what about you?
Sending, sir. I was disconnected a bit. I'm sending now.
Oh, okay.
Sir, can you send the number again? My phone reset. I can't find your number.
I will just message you, okay, on WhatsApp. Your number is the same, right?
Yeah, my number is the same.
Yeah, I have messaged you. You can reply there. Yeah, E naught is correct. It is minus 0.059. आपकी हैंडराइटिंग इतनी ज्यादा खराब है सलमान कि आपका 0590009 हो गया है ना? यस सलमान.
Oh, I didn't.
Please correct it. Also write properly. आप ऐसी एग्जाम में लिखते हैं क्या? टीचर बिल्कुल मार्क्स नहीं देगा अगर इसी तरह लिखिएगा तो. ओके. हिश्मा, आई थिंक आपका हो गया होगा अभी तक, राइट हिश्मा? आर यू डन?
No, sir.
No, not done. Okay. The log one will cancel very easily, I think. Just see. Okay, the log part will cancel very easily. Khalil and Nabil, you guys can also start writing this, okay? Khalil, did you do these questions? I gave it last time in the last class. Khalil? No. What about you, Nabil Ahmed? Yeah, Khalid, E naught cell is fine. Log one आप एक बार फिर से देखिए. Wait a second, let me see the log one. I think you guys are making some mistake here. 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, I think it's fine only. What? 1 नहीं आएगा, आस्था 1 नहीं आएगा. ठीक से कैलकुलेट कीजिए प्लीज. Whenever you get anything in terms of decimals, na, see 0.1 you can write it as 10 to the power minus 1. Okay, and 0.01 you can write it as 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, so you have what? Log of the concentration of product to the power of product divided by the concentration of reactant to the power of the reactant. So log the product that we are going to have is only Cr3 plus, right? So Cr3 plus is 10 to the power minus 2 whole square, because here we have the stoichiometry 2 divided by Fe is 10 to the power minus 1 to the power 3. So we'll get this as log 10 to the power minus 4 upon 10 to the power minus 3, right? So this will become 10 to the power log 10 to the power minus 1. Minus 1 will come down. Okay. So log 10 to the power minus 1 will be equal to what? Minus 1 only. Okay. So this will be equal to minus 1. And number of electrons, please see what will be the number of electrons. Number of electrons आपका सही है आपका. Let me see for other guys. Yeah, number of electrons is fine. Hishma, you have not taken. Hishma, क्या आपने आगे कुछ किया या नहीं किया? मीनाक्षी, आपका number of electrons सही नहीं है. ठीक है. Also look at that. Okay. Guys, please listen. Let me do this one for you guys. Okay. The next one you will do. Okay. Please see here, guys. The solution for the 17th one. Please see here. Don't write anything. Leave your pens aside. So first of all, the Nernst equation is what? It is equal to E. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by the number of electrons is equal to. देखिए जब भी आपको number of electrons पूछा जाएगा, the number of electrons will be equal to the charge on any of the ions. Okay, you can take any of the ions, whatever their charges or whatever their oxidation state is. Okay, oxidation state of any of the ion multiplied by their stoichiometry. So you can take any of this, either you take Fe or you take Cr. Both of them, if you multiply, the number of electrons will be equal to 6 only. So minus 0.059 divided by 6 log of the concentration of Cr3 plus squared divided by the concentration of Fe2 plus cube. Now we have what? Two segments here. I will calculate the E naught cell, then I will calculate the log, and then I will plug in to this equation. So E naught cell is equal to the E naught oxidation of the anode plus E naught reduction of the cathode. Now E naught oxidation of the anode, what is getting oxidized? Cr is getting oxidized. So its oxidation potential will be plus 0.74. Now plus E naught reduction of the cathode. Cathode is Fe. It is having reduction potential of minus 0.44 volts. This will be equal to 0.30 volts. This will be equal to 0.30 volts. Now I will calculate for the log. So log is equal to log part. Sorry. For log part, I have log Cr3 plus concentration is 10 to the power minus 2 squared divided by 10 to the power minus 1 cube. This will be equal to, I have just proved it that this will be equal to minus 1. I'm doing the same thing here. 10 to the power minus 3 will be equal to log of ten to the power minus 1, right? So this will be equal to minus 1. All of you got till here? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Now, next thing is that you will just plug in E naught is equal to E cell is equal to E naught cell is 0.30 minus 0.059 divided by 6 into what? Minus 1, right? Yes or no, guys? This is minus 1, no?
Yes.
जी तो माइनस माइनस तो फिर प्लस हो जाएगा. Minus and minus, it will become what? Plus 0.059, or either I can just approximate this to 0.06 divided by 6. This will be equal to 0.30 plus 0.01. This will be equal to 0.31 volts. Please write this down, guys. Okay, so this should not take even 5 minutes. ठीक है, चलिए, you guys have 5 more minutes. Calculate for 18th one. देखिए यहाँ पे you have to calculate the E naught cell. Okay, you have been given the E cell. Please see guys. Okay, this is even easier. So 5 minutes से ज़्यादा किसी का नहीं लगना चाहिए. 18th question. Don't copy the question. That is fine, but please do the answer quickly. So the next equation is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by N log of product upon reactant. So see, the concentration of products and reactant is given. This is given. Number of electrons you can calculate from the reaction. Okay, and they have given the E cell also. What you need to calculate is the E naught cell. This is not given. So linear equation is one variable. That's it. Okay, so 5 minutes उससे ज़्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए. चलिए, you guys have 5 minutes. जल्दी से कीजिए, जल्दी कीजिए. Stop copying down the 17th question. Start doing the 18th question. Stop copying down the 17th. Start doing the 18th question. Fast. 5 minutes. Saf has got the answer. I don't know, Saf. Let us wait for others. Then we will see. And with a record-breaking 3 minutes, even if he is not correct, he is at least fast, blazingly fast. And yeah, that is correct. Saf, congratulations.
The
That's the
answer
right
is
answer.
correct. Sir.
Yeah, your answer is correct. One more minute, guys. So see, we have one answer, so it can be done in under 5 minutes. Okay, so we have an answer. Have you guys seen that meme? I'm really fast and I'm really नहीं आप लोग कर लीजिए पहले बाद में बातें करेंगे. Asta sent right now. I will accept it. It's a bit incorrect, but I will accept it. Okay, Asta, I'm going to accept that answer. Anyone else? No one else. Actually, 1 more minute. I give you guys. Okay, 1 minute more. 5 minutes are over.
Sir, it's not correct.
I mean, it's not accurate. Like, I don't know right now where is the mistake, but it is not ekdam se. But I will accept this answer. Oh, see, the mistake you have done is, wait a second. You kept it as 6 only. You multiplied, then you thought that no, wait. I will not leave my 10. I need my 10 to get it 0. Okay. Yeah. I've done a very silly mistake, by the way. आपका एडिशन जो है ना वो ई नॉट सेल इज इक्वल टू जो भी लिखा है आपने उसके बाद आपने सही नहीं लिखा है. ठीक है, हम बोला था एडिशन में आपने कहीं गलती की है. हाँ, एडिशन में गलती की है.
Go other side as addition, no? Like
सॉरी,
E naught cell is equal to 1.9
वो
plus.
माइनस करना था ना आपको, आपने ऐड क्यों कर दिया?
So we're
हाँ,
taking
right.
it to the other side. Now we're finding E naught cell. E cell is already given.
अच्छा, ठीक है, ई नॉट, ठीक 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 ठीक. लेकिन फिर भी 0.0 कुछ मिस्टेक है वहीं पे, एडिशन में कुछ मिस्टेक है जहाँ तक हमको लगता है, या तो डिवीजन में आपने मिस्टेक किया है. No, that is correct. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, no one else. किसी का आंसर नहीं आया. अरे, that is really sad. कहाँ फंस गए आप लोग? देखिए. Please see here, guys. All of you, please stop writing. Please stop writing, okay? And see here. Calculate the E naught cell. So first of all, I will see this E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by the number of electrons, log of product upon reactant, product ki power product, reactant ki power reactant. Okay. Now I will plug in the values, but I will, देखिए हम तो separate करके सबको calculate करेंगे. I will calculate the log part first. Okay. So log of what is the product here? Al3 plus squared divided by my reactant is copper 2 plus, and this is cubed. Okay, so log of 10 to the power minus 2 to square, and this is 10 to the power minus 2 cube. So this will be log of 10 to the power minus 4 upon 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 6. So this will become log 10 to the power plus 2. So this will become just 2. Okay, log part will be 2. And now we have E naught cell is equal to E cell. What is the E cell? 1.98 plus 0.059. 10 कैसे आ रहा था आपका आस्था? It is not 10, है ना? आस्था?
So I don't know. I took it as log 100. So log 100 is 10.
Log 100 10 नहीं होता है भाई.
Yeah,
log
I think
100
that's the error.
10 to the power how much is equal to 100? ऐसे देखेंगे ना?
10 square. Yeah, 2.
है ना? तो 2 जी. So the number of electrons is 3 to the 6. into 2. This will be equal to 1.98 plus divided by 3. So this will be 0. You can approximate this to 0.2, right? This will be equal to 2 volts. So the answer is 2 volts. चलिए देखते हैं लेट वालों में कितना का सही है. सलमान, no, that is wrong. सलमान, ये क्या किया आपने? 18 करना था, 19 तक पहुंच गए आप. ओह, अच्छा 18. You just needed to do this 18th question, okay? But 18th question is not right. No.
Wait, we need to just do 18th. Okay.
Yeah, just 18th. Instructions ध्यान से नहीं सुना आपने. Khalil, that is not right, na? 18. You see your mistake. Where is your mistake, Khalil? Your mistake is in division. Okay. Khalil, आपने भेजा तो है, but your answer is not correct. You have done mistake in division. Same, Minashi, just figure out where is your mistake. Okay, Minashi, can you figure it out?
Yes, sir. That log value.
Yes. Same thing goes for Khalid. Khalid and Salman, your answer is completely same. Why is that? नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स में गलती की, दोनों ने गलती कर दी है. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है?
I have no idea.
चलिए. Now the time starts for the 19th question. Please start doing the 19th question. अच्छा 19th मत कीजिए, काम कीजिए आप लोग. 19th छोड़ दीजिए, हम कर देंगे. Please do the 20th one. Please do this one.
So can you zoom the question a little bit?
Zoom to the question. Yes, Astha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, 5 minutes for this question also. Okay. Acha, chaliye, take 8 minutes for this question. You have noted the question wrongly. गलत नोट किया कर लिया खालिद आपने, बट आपने 19th वाला नोट कर लिया है, ठीक है ना? पर 19th वाले के लिए आंसर सही है, so it's fine. Yeah, answer that is correct. Very good. Mohammed Saif, you have done some mistake in the calculation, I think so. I hope all of you guys are writing the equation before doing the calculations. Okay, so 2 more minutes, guys. Then we will look at the answer. All the Nernst equation, it is written for a cell reaction. It is written for a reaction and not for a cell. Okay. So if you have been given a cell, then you will first of all write the cell reaction, and then only you can write the Nernst equation. Asta, I hope. What about Hishma, Minashi? I'm not getting any answers from you. Please send your answers, okay? Yeah, that is correct, Salman. Okay, Minashi and Hishma, please send me whatever you have done. Minashi, Hishma, Khalil, and Nabil. Please send me whatever you have done for this 20th question. And send it fast, guys, okay? Khalil, I got yours. Yeah, that is correct, Khalil. Very good. मीनाक्षी हाँ देखिए नहीं तो पूरा आंसर आप भेजिए ना मीनाक्षी आप ईसल से क्यों भेज देंगे ना से शो मी हाउ यू हैव रिटन द रिएक्शन द सेल रिएक्शन same thing for Khalid also. Okay, Salman, I have a question for you. Salman, am I audible? Yes, Salman. Salman is not here or what? Okay, Salman is not here right now. No, still it is not right, Saf. Okay, Salman is not here. You have done something 0.059.
Sorry, sir, I left the meeting, my bad.
Yeah, Salman, can you tell me why you have written h plus square?
I thought we had to write. Well,
No, why you are writing? You thought no. Why it is h plus and not for Zn2 plus?
mm, I don't know. I just wrote that.
You think why you have written h plus, okay? And h plus square. Let us see this question. If you are writing the answer just from the cell, then you are cheating from somewhere. To be very honest, writing the answer directly from somewhere else. Okay, either someone gave you the answer. All of those people who have just written, if it is correct, then you have cheated from somewhere, and otherwise it is going to be wrong. If you are going to write the reaction just looking at this particular cell, okay, this representation of cell, you cannot write the Nernst equation. This is one note that I also wrote in the last class. The Nernst equation gives the relationship between potential temperature concentration of ion. Where's that note? आप लोगों ने दिखाया नहीं है. Did I tell you guys? Yes, Astha, Hishma, tell me that we write Nernst equation only after writing the reaction. Cell potential calculation. इस टाइम हमने बताया होगा आप लोगों को that we write only after writing the cell equation. First of all, what is the cell reaction here? At anode, zinc getting converted to zinc 2 plus, and the second at anode, zinc is getting converted to zinc 2 plus 2 electron, and then at cathode we have H plus or rather we should take 2 moles of H plus and 2 electron, giving you a 1 mole of hydrogen gas. And then we are going to write the cell reaction. Cell reaction will be zinc plus 2H plus, giving you this 2 electron will get cancelled. Zinc 2 plus H2 gas. Okay. Now the Nernst equation is going to be E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by the number of electrons will be equal to 2 electrons log of the concentration of the product. What is the product here? Zn2 plus. Zn2 plus concentration is 10 to the power minus 3 divided by H plus concentration is 10 to the power minus 2. But this will be squared. Okay. Now E naught cell is equal to E naught oxidation of anode plus E naught reduction of cathode. E naught oxidation of anode is plus 0.76 plus reduction is 0. So this will be equal to 0.76 volts only. Now we are going to calculate for the log part. Log of 10 to the power minus 3 upon 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to log of 10. Log 10 is equal to nothing but 1. Now we have E cell is equal to 0.76 minus 0.0. I can write this as 0.06, okay, just to be fast, and this will be equal to 0.76 minus 0.03. 0.73 volts. ठीक है? Just see, I mean, it was very easy question. कहीं पे कुछ भी hard नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay, nothing is hard in this question. Easy. I don't know where you guys are making mistake, but even log was very easy. Can you write this down, guys? Write this down fast. ये आप लोग को नहीं समझ में आया क्या? See, log of 10 to the power minus 3 upon 10 to the power minus 4. So this will be what? Log of 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power plus 4 ना, क्योंकि minus 4 ऊपर जाएगा तो plus हो जाएगा. अब 4 minus 3 is what? Log of 10. Okay. I think you guys are doing mistake in the exponents only. Khalid, you got it? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
आपका आंसर तो पहले सही था, फिर आपने क्यों दोबारा से क्यों किया? अच्छा नहीं, वो अच्छा 20th क्वेश्चन आपने 3 दफा कर दिया है. हाय हाय. All of you done? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Is everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Write a note. Nernst equation is always written for a chemical reaction. Never write Nernst equation directly from the cell representation. Done everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me. Is everyone done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, we have talked a lot about the spontaneous reaction, and from the spontaneous reaction, we are going to extract electricity, and we are going to get electricity from the spontaneous reaction. Now, spontaneous reaction, whenever I say, there should be one particular letter that should come in your mind, that is delta G, right? Now we are going to write a relationship between whatever the EMF of the cell is present and the Gibbs free energy, okay, and the Gibbs free energy. But before that, we'll first of all revise a few things regarding electricity and all. So see, the work done, if we have a potential difference, it is given as what? W is equal to Q into the potential difference. Is that right? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys. Q into V. And in this case, this will be Q and the potential will be given by the EMF of cell. Please don't write, listen, okay? Please don't write, listen. I will write all of these points. Okay, don't write now. E cell. Now, this is the Q is the charge. Now, the charge carrier in our electrochemical cell is what? It is the electrons that are moving, right? The electrons that are moving. And the charge on one electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Please listen, guys, okay? Please listen. Then charge on, and the reaction whatever we do in terms of moles. एक electron तो move नहीं करेगा, we talk in terms of moles, okay? So charge on 1 mole of electron will be equal to, so the charge on 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and 1 mole has how many electrons? It has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of electrons. So the charge of 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of electrons, this will be equal to a constant that is approximately equal to 96500 coulombs. This is also known as Faraday's constant. Okay, this is also known as Faraday's constant. Now, please remember, if the this is equal to 1 Faraday, okay, this 96500 coulomb, it is equal to 1 Faraday. Now, for n moles, for 1 mole, it is 1 Faraday. For n moles, charge will be equal to n Faraday. For n moles, the charge will be equal to n Faraday. Now, what I can write? I can write that the work done by a cell, it is equal to Q into V, where Q is equal to what? The number of electrons that we are using into the Faraday's constant into multiplied by the E cell. Multiplied by the E cell. Now, this is an equation that we have got. Now we can relate this particular equation to the Gibbs free energy. Now, please listen, guys. Please see. Initially and finally, we're talking about a cell. Initially, the cell had 10 joules of energy. The cell worked and now it has 4 joule of energy, right? So it released and it gave us how many joules of energy? Tell me. How much work is done by the cell? Tell me, guys. How much joule of work is done by the cell? How much joule of work is done by the cell, guys? How much joule of energy is it going to give me? Initially, it was having 10. It gave me some energy and now it has 4 joules of energy stored. So how much energy did I get?
6 joules.
6 joules, right? 6 joules of energy was given by the cell to me. 6 joules. Now, this was the work that was done by the cell. Now, delta G for the cell will be equal to final minus initial, that will be equal to 4 minus 10 joules, which will be equal to minus 6 joules. So the change in Gibbs free energy is negative, and that is why it is a spontaneous change, and it is giving me, and it is doing the work, it is giving me energy, the human energy, okay? The system jo kya kar raha hai, it is doing work and it is giving the human some energy, okay? So what we can see here is delta G is equal to whatever was the work was 6 joule with a negative sign. Is that clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. Delta G is equal to negative of W. Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Also, one more thing we have seen just now, delta G will be equal to minus of W. What is W? W is nothing but NF E cell. Okay, NF E cell. Now you are going to write the topic. All of you understood? Now please start writing. EMF of cell. A cell and Gibbs free energy. Okay, please write. In the case of electrochemical cell, the case of electrochemical cell, Gibbs free energy is related to the work done by the cell. Work done by the cell. Okay. How it is related? Delta G is equal to negative of whatever work done. Okay, fine, just a second. Khalid, you wrote the note?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Please write this thing. Delta G is equal to negative of W. Okay, and you will write as W is equal to Q into V. No, same thing we are going to write. And what is Q? We can write this as Q into E cell. So potential में आप लोगों को दिक्कत नहीं होगी, लेकिन 3 दिन बाद जब आप इसी को पढ़िएगा ना, and if I don't write this point of Q charge, then you will be confused. So please write Q, that is charge, is related to the number of electron passing during a cell reaction. Okay, during a cell reaction. Now, the Q on charge on one electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Charge on 1 mole of electron will be equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 18 into 6.022 into 10 to the power, how much? 23. This will be equal to approximately equal to 96500 coulombs, which is also known as 1 Faraday. This is Faraday's constant. Faraday's constant. Now, you write for n moles. For n moles, the Q is equal to the number of moles times the Faraday constant. Okay. Therefore, the work will be equal to Q into V. Q is equal to NF. E is equal to the EMF of the cell. Now, as delta G is equal to negative of W, delta G will be equal to minus NF E cell. Then for standard conditions, the delta G naught will be equal to minus NF E naught of cell. Okay. So this is very important equations. बहुत ही छोटे-छोटे equations है. इनका सवाल ही बहुत ही आसान रहता है. and they come for 2-3 marks, है ना, easy questions जहाँ पे log भी नहीं है आपके पास, है ना, you don't even have to calculate 3 different things to get the E cell. Okay, चलिए please write this down.
So,
बोलिए.
sir, it's delta G naught or delta G theta.
डेल्टा जी नॉट ही बोलते हैं, थीटा तो कोई बोलता नहीं है. ओके, तो डेल्टा जी नॉट. एंड लाइक नोटेशंस में ना आपको इस तरह से नॉट की इस तरह से दिखाया जाएगा, बट इट इज सेड एज नॉट ओनली. ओके, प्रोनाउंस्ड एज नॉट. आपके टीचर थीटा बोलते हैं क्या? जी थीटा?
Yes, sir. Our ma'am writes it as theta only.
नहीं नहीं, वो बोलती क्या है लेकिन?
Ah, yes, sir. She says for standard conditions, it's theta.
जी थीटा?
Delta G theta. Yes.
डेल्टा जी थीटा? ओ माय गॉड.
Yes.
मैम, इज शी न्यू?
No, sir. She is very old. From
Very
20
old.
years or something, she's teaching.
Okay. I'm hearing this at, I mean, I in the books it is like theta only, okay, but I have never heard any of my professor also speak it like this, delta G theta. Delta G not, I think, I mean, is everyone done? Yes or no, tell me. Okay, तो बताइए.
Yes.
I think it can be interchangeable then, because I have seen much evidence for delta G naught. Okay. So it would be interchangeable for sure. Okay, Asta, if she is saying theta, because I have seen theta in the text. Okay, but no one said theta. I heard this for the very first time right now. Here. Let's do one question. Has anyone else heard delta G theta?
No, sir. Even my teacher says it as like a minus. No, as
Delta
zero.
G naught.
Yes, sir.
G naught, right? What about others?
Done, sir.
अरे डन नहीं पूछ रहे हैं हम, आपके टीचर्स क्या बोलते हैं? डेल्टा जी नॉट बोलते हैं, डेल्टा जी थीटा बोलते
Not only, sir.
हैं? नॉट ना. Okay. Write this down. The standard electrode potential E naught for Daniel cell is plus 1.1 volts. Calculate that delta G. So they have given the reaction. Why they have given reaction? To get you the number of electrons. Number of electrons could, if you want to calculate number of electrons, then the oxidation state of any of the ion multiplied by oxidation state of any of the ion, okay, multiplied by what? Multiplied by the stoichiometry. Okay, so here you can get the number of electrons is equal to how much? Please tell me, guys. Number of electrons is equal to, जल्दी बताइए. Number of electron is equal to
2.
very good. Now delta G naught is equal to minus MF E naught of cell minus 2 into Faraday's constant is 96500. Okay. The answer, whatever you are going to get, will be in terms of joules. Okay. Joules. It will be joules per mole because coulomb per mole is here. No? So 96500 into E naught cell. E naught cell is given as 1.11, 1.1 volts. So this will be in terms of joules per mole. Please write this down. Okay, 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulombs per mole. Okay, I hope you guys can calculate this. Calculate it fast.
Minus 212,300 joule per mole.
Correct. Write this question. Okay, so in this case, you just need to worry about whatever is whatever the metals are present. है ना, जिसके लिए आपको E naught दिया हुआ है ना, you have been given the E naught for Ag plus, you have been given the E naught for Zn, and only these things are going to get oxidized and reduced. So if you look at zinc here, what is happening to zinc? Zinc is getting oxidized. So anode reaction is zinc giving you zinc 2 plus 2 electron. Now what is the oxidation state of Ag here? The oxidation state of Ag will be equal to C. देखिए oxygen के पास क्या है? -2, and there are 2 Ag. Okay, so both of these will add up and they will make E, and this will be equal to 0. If you add both of these things, they should be equal to 0. So I can say that 2x will be equal to 2. Okay, so x will be equal to what? +1. Ag will have the oxidation state of +1 here. And it is getting converted to metal, that is 0. So at cathode, what is happening? At cathode, we have Ag plus. It is taking 1 electron. So I will multiply this, will be 2 Ag and 2 electron, giving you 2 Ag silver. So this is the only change. And this reaction, why they have given you the reaction? Just to get the number of electrons. ठीक है? Now, एक चीज हमने आपको क्या बताया था? Even you can write anode and cathode. Other thing is that look at the ion, whatever you are having. If you have zinc ion, then the number of electrons will be equal to what? Whatever the oxidation state of this metal is. This ion is what? 2 into the stoichiometry is equal to what? 1. So this will be equal to what? 2 electrons only. Okay, this will be equal to 2 electrons. Now you have been given the E naught of Ag plus and zinc. Now E naught cell is equal to E naught of oxidation of anode plus E naught, reduction of cathode. Okay, so please write and tell me what is the E naught in the chat. Okay, Salman. Calculate the E naught fast, guys. Anode आपको दिखा हुआ है, cathode दिखा हुआ है, क्या होगा? Khalil, I think that is fine. Yes, Khalil, that is correct. Please send me answer in Zoom chat. What is the E naught? Khalil, now you can also calculate the delta G naught, right? Please calculate the delta G naught. Yes, Hishma, very good, correct. Hishma, please calculate the delta G naught. Yes, Saf, correct. Please calculate the delta G naught. Saf, please write the units also, okay? Make it a habit that you don't forget the units. Yeah, you will be getting this in joules per mole. You can convert it to kilojoules per mole also. Okay. Your answer is correct. Minashi, no, that is wrong, Minashi. Minashi, the thing is that ना, आप जो मेथड यूज कर रही हैं शायद आपने स्कूल में जो सीखा है उसको यूज कर रही हैं. So if you're not aware or not very confident with this method for calculating E naught, for calculating the E naught, then please use whatever you know. Okay, Minashi.
Okay, sir.
राइट माइनस लेफ्ट ऐसा कुछ आपने स्कूल में सीखा होगा, राइट? यस मीनाक्षी,
Yes, sir.
आपने क्या सीखा स्कूल में? ई नॉट ऑफ राइट माइनस ई नॉट ऑफ लेफ्ट, ऐसा कुछ ना?
No,
या
it,
फिर
not my cathode minus anode.
ई नॉट कैथोड माइनस एनोड? हाँ, कैथोड वही राइट में होता है, राइट माइनस लेफ्ट. हाँ, यू ट्राई दैट. ओके, आप उससे कीजिए. यस खालिद, करेक्ट. डू यू नो व्हाई इज दैट द फॉर्मूला मीनाक्षी? ई नॉट का वो फॉर्मूला क्यों आपको पता है? व्हाई इज इट?
Yes, sir.
Why the formula of E naught is cathode minus anode? Why is it not anode minus cathode?
Left minus no, right minus left.
Yeah, why it is like that? Why not the other way around? Think about it, okay, Minashi?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Khalil, correct. हिश्मा आपने डेल्टा जी नॉट नहीं कैलकुलेट किया, जल्दी कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए. What happened, Astha? You did not get the E naught cell, Astha?
Sir, I got, I'm calculating delta G naught.
अच्छा, send the E naught cell ना first. अगर वो सही नहीं हुआ तो फिर आगे कैलकुलेट करके क्या फायदा, right? Send the E naught cell. Yeah, Khalid, correct. Khalil, it will be joules per mole, okay? It will be joules per mole. Your answer is correct. Just the unit is joules per mole. Khalid, it will be negative. You have written it in positive. That's one change you need to make. हिश्मा का आंसर नहीं आया, बहुत टाइम लगा रही हैं आप हिश्मा to calculate this. No, Asa, you have done something wrong with the calculation, okay? Multiplication में आपने कुछ गलत कर दिया है. Otherwise, it is fine.
Sir, E naught cell is right now.
E naught cell is right. उसके बाद आपने डेल्टा जी नॉट के कैलकुलेशन में कुछ मिस्टेक कर दिया. Yes, हिश्मा, joules per mole, correct answer. It will be in joules per mole. The answer is right.
So you're saying for delta G naught, the final answer is wrong with the substitution.
एक सेकंड. सब्स्टिट्यूशन में तो कुछ गलत नहीं किया होगा. 96.0 नहीं, सब्स्टिट्यूशन में कुछ गलत नहीं किया आपने. फाइनल आंसर जो है वो गलत है आपका.
Oh, sir, I didn't
Multiplication.
get the answer fully. You told to send, so I.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ठीक ठीक, आप पूरा लिख लीजिए. मीनाक्षी, सही है, अब सही है. ई नॉट सेल अब सही है आपका. Now it is correct. Yes, Meenakshi, now it is correct. See, this will be coming as 1.56 volts. This will be 30 minus 301080 joules per mole. You can also write this as minus 301.08 kilojoules per mole. Okay, kilojoules per mole. Now, please write remarks. A galvanic cell. Galvanic cell is electrochemical cell. Okay, any electrochemical cell is galvanic cell. A galvanic cell will work का मतलब will give you electricity only if E cell is positive, because when E cell is positive, delta G will be negative, that is spontaneous. Okay, right? That is reaction is spontaneous. Take another point. Maximum work done by a cell is equal to delta G naught, or rather I should say minus of delta G naught. क्योंकि वर्क हम निकाल रहे हैं ना, so this will be work maximum will be equal to minus of delta G naught. Okay, minus of delta G naught. This will be equal to minus of, sorry, not minus, rather the positive of NF E naught cell. Okay. जब आपसे वर्क डन पूछा जाए तो पॉजिटिव में आंसर होगा. ओके, प्लीज राइट वन मोर पॉइंट. वर्क डन for spontaneous reaction is always positive. Delta G for spontaneous reaction is always negative. ध्यान रखिएगा इस बात को.
So is it minus V max?
V max नहीं है, W max.
Sorry,
ना?
W max, yes.
W max is equal to minus of delta G naught. देखिए, delta G naught is equal to minus of W. W is equal to minus of delta G naught. सही है? बता रही
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में?
Yes, sir.
Please write this question. Write the first one. अच्छा, यहाँ पे देखिए, लिखिए मत अभी, देखिए प्लीज देखिए. Please see here. Predict. What we have to do? Wait a second. I don't know why this is not working now. Yeah. Predict if the reaction between the following is feasible. If Fe3 plus and we have I negative. Okay. So if I'm going to react both of these things, is it possible or not possible? Okay. Will they react or they will not react? So for this, what we need to do, a reaction is feasible. Please understand, reaction is feasible when delta G is not, delta G naught is what? Positive or negative? Please tell me, guys. Reaction is spontaneous. That means delta G naught will be positive or negative.
Negative.
Therefore, E naught should be what? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Right? E naught should be positive. ठीक है. अब ये बात बताइए आप लोग. We have here Fe3 plus and I negative. Now what we know, Fe3 plus will get converted to what? I don't know what, right? So you will look at the E naughts. Okay. So what they have said, they have given you the E naught of Fe3 plus and Fe2 plus. That means Fe3 plus for the first question I'm writing. Fe3 plus is going to get converted to Fe2 plus. ठीक है. Or iodine negative है. So look at iodine negative. We have iodine negative here. Iodine negative is going to get converted to I2, है ना? अगर आपके पास राइट हैंड साइड दिया हुआ है तो वो लेफ्ट में कन्वर्ट होगा, इधर कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? I negative will get converted to I2. Now, please see here, guys, and tell me what is the E naught for Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus this reaction? What is the E naught of this reaction?
Plus
It is given as plus 0.77. What is the E naught for this reaction? I negative to I2. Please remember it is I negative to I2. क्या होगा इसके लिए बताइए?
0.54.
नेगेटिव 0.54. मीनाक्षी, आपको ये बात समझ में आई? Yes, Meenakshi,
Sir.
yes or no, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Meenakshi, you will tell me what is the E naught for a reaction copper 2 plus 2 electron. क्या होगा बताइए? E naught इसके लिए
Negative 0.34.
very good. ठीक है? Now, when both of these things are going to react, Fe and I negatives are going to react. Fe will show this reaction, I negative will show this reaction. That means their E naught, I can do what? I can add the E naught of both of these things and I can tell whether this reaction can happen or not. So what do you think? What will be the answer if I add both of them?
Positive.
Sir, positive.
Positive कितना होगा?
0.23.
0.23
Yes.
23.
volts, right? This is what feasible. सही है guys, it's on please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, सेकंड वाली कैसी देखिए बताइए? Ag plus and copper. बताइए Ag plus के लिए क्या करें हम? What will be the E naught for Ag plus?
0.80.
0.8.
No. What will be the E naught for copper?
Minus
Minus 0.34.
0.34.
It will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
That means it is also feasible. चलिए Fe के लिए बताइए, Fe3 plus के लिए क्या होगा? What will be the E naught for Fe3 plus?
0.77.
Br negative के लिए?
Minus
Minus
1.09.
1.09.
Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
है ना? So this will be not feasible. Now Ag के लिए क्या होगा जल्दी बताइए? For Ag it will be
Negative 0.80.
Fe के लिए क्या होगा? Fe3 plus के लिए
0.77.
plus 0.77. Positive or negative?
Negative.
Positive.
अरे नेगेटिव ना, -80 है यहाँ पे, प्लस
Negative.
feasible, not feasible?
Not feasible.
Not feasible. Br2 के लिए क्या होगा जल्दी बताइए?
Plus
बस
1.
आस्था को ही बोलना है और बाकी लोग को नहीं आ रहा है क्या? मीनाक्षी, हिश्मा, हिश्मा आपको आ रहा है? हिश्मा बताइए इसका. Tell
Yes,
me
sir.
what is the हिश्मा. यार हिश्मा tell me. Br2 के लिए क्या होगा E naught?
1.091.
1.09. ठीक है. Fe2 plus के लिए
Minus 0.77.
पॉजिटिव होगा नेगेटिव होगा वैल्यू उसका?
Positive.
Feasible, not feasible?
Feasible.
First, second, and fifth are feasible. These are not feasible. Okay. All of you understood this? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
please
Yes.
write a note. Write a note. No class on Thursday. Chemistry test on Thursday. Okay. Same time. During class hours. Okay. Test will be of 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay. And it will be of 25 marks. This will have 1 hour, 25 marks. This will have MCQs. Okay. जिसमें कि आपके पास assertion reason भी होंगे. Okay. This will also have numericals. This will also have your theory questions. Okay, all of these things will be there. You will have 1 marks question, you will have 2 marks question, you will have 3 marks question, you will have 5 mark question also. Okay, there will be only 5 marks question, but 1, 2, 3 and 5 17 के सवाल होंगे आपके पास. And one more thing is that the chapters that will be coming will be kinetics हो गया ना आपका, chemical kinetics and electrochemistry. Electrochemistry कहाँ तक? Till today's class. Okay, guys. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also, like I will not be conducting the test. ठीक है, हम नहीं रहेंगे, कोई और रहेगा. तो ऐसा प्रिपेयर करके आइए कि अगर आपको कोई डाउट हुआ ना सवाल में, तो फिर कोई बताने वाला नहीं रहेगा आपको. ठीक है, तो अच्छे से ऐसा मतलब लाइक जस्ट प्रिपेयर सो वेल दैट कोई भी ऐसा सवाल नहीं हो जो आपने देखा नहीं है. नोट्स को आप अच्छे से पढ़ के जाइएगा. ठीक है, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस दैट आई विल बी गिविंग फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर, और क्लास में भी हम वही कराते हैं. ठीक है, प्रीवियस ईयर के जितने भी सवाल है क्लास में भी हम वही उम्मीद करते हैं. देखिए, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम्स यू विल सी सम